I would have put more cheese on here because I love when my cheese be cheesing, and I'm a big fan of cheese. But this is what I found on YouTube, and I'm hoping that it's as good as it looked. So this is nothing but some tater tots fried in the air fryer. Put some shredded cheese of your choice that you like on it. Top with some pepperonis. Put it in the toaster oven or the regular oven. And yeah, I'm gonna try to see how it tastes. Dang, I can't figure out which one to pick up. It's good. Stuff on YouTube and TikTok and Facebook, any social media that be having food will have you with a big bag forever. I wonder if it would have been good too if we would have had the piece of sauce.